Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how new moms can support a healthy milk supply naturally and what simple habits may help during the early weeks of motherhood. Many new mothers worry about whether they are producing enough milk. This is a very common concern, especially in the beginning when everything feels new and unfamiliar. One of the most important things is regular milk removal. Whether through feeding or pumping, consistency helps send signals to the body that milk is needed. Many mothers find that maintaining a regular routine becomes easier over time. Hydration is also important. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help support your overall health and keep you feeling refreshed during busy days with your baby. Nutrition plays a role as well. Eating balanced meals that include protein, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help support your energy and overall well-being. Rest is another factor that is often overlooked. While caring for a newborn can make sleep difficult, getting rest whenever possible can help your body recover and feel more prepared for daily routines. Stress can also affect how mothers feel during feeding or pumping sessions. Creating a calm and comfortable environment may help make the experience more relaxing. It is important to remember that every mother's journey is different. Building a healthy milk supply often takes time, patience, and consistency rather than quick solutions. Many mothers find that focusing on daily habits instead of worrying about immediate results helps them feel more confident and less stressed. With regular feeding or pumping, balanced nutrition, hydration, rest, and patience, many new mothers are able to support a healthy milk supply naturally. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.